In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of your Apple ID on your iPhone. To get started, open up the settings by finding it on your home screen or searching for it. Inside of here, tap your name at the top of the page. Apple has made this part way easier than it was in the past, where you had to sign out or remove a device first from your Apple ID. Now all you have to do is scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here you'll see Sign Out. Tap Sign Out, and if you have Find My turned on, it'll prompt you for your password. This part in the past was separate and you had to do it manually. Enter your password and then hit Turn Off at the top right. Turning off Find My is a pretty important part because before you sell it or trade it in, you're going to have to do that. Next, you'll be moved to the Sign Out page. Choose what you want to keep or remove from the device. If you're selling or trading the phone in, then make sure that nothing stays on the phone. But if you're just signing out and keeping the phone or relogging back in, you can choose to keep a copy of all the data or just the pieces that you want. It'll let you know that data from the iPhone is still going to be available in your iCloud account so you can access it there, but any of your wallet items or your car keys will be removed from the device and you'll have to manually enter them again. When you're ready, tap Sign Out on the top right of the page. It'll then remove your Apple ID from the phone, and depending on if you chose to keep or delete the data, it'll back it up or it'll remove it completely. When you're finished, you'll be signed out of your Apple ID on the iPhone, and then you can either reset it completely to sell or trade, or just turn it off and store it for later. And that's how you remove your Apple ID from your iPhone.